Welcome back to my channel. Way to Martin, you guys. Once again, hopefully you guys are doing well. If you haven't subscribed my channel yet, please go and subscribe my channel, hit the bell icon, press all to get notification for all my upcoming video. So as you guys know that synergy examination is going to happen, I think maybe April or May, if situation gets normal, or if like that only. So many of them have requested me to make one classes, basically conduct the classes for online examination, but due to the shortage of time and flexibility, unable to do that. But I'm going to launch a course which will be completely related to the synergy exam 2022 crash course. Okay, technicalities will be there, technical factors will be discussed, aptitude will be discussed. Apart from that, the main thing, how to register, how to keep updated, which all things you might face during online exams, full crash course will be there. I will show you in a bit of a moment in my laptop screen everything. So this course is for everyone, Cadet, Engine Cadet, as well as GP rating. I have divided this course into 11 section and 27 video modules. Okay, total course duration will be 4 hours 2 minutes. Most importantly, you will get all the study materials including in this course, PDF files. You can download and access it. Okay, this course is lifetime access once you buy. Okay, let me tell you the price I kept bare minimum, that is 600 rupees. See, many of the people are expecting these courses are free, but not possible. Frankly speaking, it is not possible. I have put my effort, I have put my time. You might feel that it is a 4-hour course, but I have put, I think, last 7 to 8 days in it. Okay, it takes time. You have to shoot the videos, you have to edit, re-edit, then upload, then description writing, everything you have to do. You have to build a website to do it. Okay, once you click in the description link, you will find everything. Okay, I'll show you, no problem. And course fee I kept 600. And always remember, the people who thinks it can be free course, but better to give a try to buy the course, because if you are unable to take placement in synergy, it will be very difficult for you, very difficult for you to get a job afterwards. And then you have to pay, I think, 5 lakhs 6 lakhs rupees to a fraud agent, and you will be in a deep shit, frankly speaking. So I cannot guarantee you that if you buy this course you will definitely get a chance or crack the examination, but I can assure you that your chances of getting selected will be boosted, that is for sure. So this is the things I wanted to tell you. And lastly, you'll get one app. Okay, APK app, Android users only, that is for Android users, the app. Okay, for the exams, and PDFs, psychometric, aptitude, everything covered, video, PDFs, everything I covered, I'll show you. And one more thing, you can log in and use mobile app also. This mobile app called is Spy. When you go to the link, you will get everything. It's a full website. Okay, now I'll move to the laptop screen. I will show you. I will not waste your time anymore. So now move to my laptop screen. Okay, so you are in the screen, you can see now. So as soon as you will be in the screen, you just need to click over store. Okay, just click on the store, just wait, just click on the login, just log in. Okay, and sign up yourself. So I'll sign up and then come back to you. Okay, as soon as I will create the account and sign up, you can see this course. You just click over there, and as you see, is 600 rupees only. Okay, description you go, and please read this properly before buying the course. Course curriculum is there as per I promise, 4 hours 1 minute 57 seconds, or better to say 4 hours 2 minutes. Everything what I have given in this thing, everything is there. I'll show you, no problem. Most important thing, I'm gonna show you this thing only. CBT study method test. Yeah, CBT study test. Here you will get all the videos as well as the PDF files for your test. See how much pages are there, everything mentioned. Okay, no problem. Even on app I have put in my course. Okay, for the CBT exam, one APK file, but that is only for the Android app. Okay, So the last curriculum I have not put it, but I will put after making this video. I'll put after this failure management and psychometric study material. After this section there will be another section. Okay, no problem. Okay, so now I will buy and show you. Just click buy now. Okay, for sample I just kept this thing 10 rupees, but it will increase when you will buy. Okay, I'll just scan and pay quickly. Okay, payment has been successful, you can see. Okay, so now what you can do, you can go to click to continue. Okay, you can click to continue, and now you can see everything is mentioned. Okay, you can just click and you can check which all things are that. But one thing you have to keep remember, you have to watch all the videos, otherwise it will be showing that lock. Okay, when you will watch this full video, it will be automatically unlock. Understand my point? So that is the thing. Price I kept bare minimum, so I think you have understood everything clearly mentioned. I don't think you need to have any kind of doubt. So just go and you can buy this course. So I think I have made you understand how to buy the course, how to access the course, and you have to watch the full video, one video, then only next will be unlocked. Remember that. But PDFs also, that in that order, you watch the video, that PDF will be also unlocked. I have made that course that way because otherwise you will try to skip the video and you will not understand the thing. All the links like Synergy website links, where to apply, how to apply, then everything I have shown you, and you can before buying also you can see that which all curriculum is there in the course. So I'll stop this video over here, and thank you guys for watching. If you like, please subscribe the channel, and if you after buying, if you have any problem, do not hesitate to message me. And thank you for watching. See you in my next video. Signing off for the day.